In this video, we're going to go over a new app on the Atlassian Marketplace called Data Encryption for Confluence by AceMood. This is a very much needed and awesome app for anyone that's operating in a very secure or highly regulated industry. It's also really good for management and for HR and making decisions. If you do keep some of that information in Confluence, it just adds another level of security from what I've experienced so far. Let's go ahead and head over to Confluence and let's actually see how this works. So I've already installed the data encryption app for Confluence on my Atlassian Admin Hub. And let's see, I'm in my project documentation Confluence space. I have all my different project documentation here listed. Again, this is just my demo site that I use for things like this. And here under decision logs, we have the template, and I have this decision log that I have open right here. It says, should 3S Success use data encryption for Confluence by AceMood? Decision is in progress, and we are going to test this out now. And so first what we're going to do is we're actually going to add the data encryption for some background or supporting documents. And again, the reason that this can be helpful is if you work in a highly regulated industry and you're implementing a major project or an application, and maybe you want to understand what the resource utilization impact will be, you don't necessarily want to disclose what your current resource utilization is. That may be viewed as sensitive information. And so with documenting that, I have this comment that I've generated at the bottom. So it's given our system utilization and CP is at 80%. When the new application is implemented, we anticipate utilization increase by 5%. However, this is merely an estimate, and increased utilization and impact to utilization should be tested prior to implementing the new application. Now, this is just one example of some potential sensitive information if in fact you are in a highly regulated industry and you don't want this information to be available to the public. And so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this information. The other way that this could be helpful is if you are a manager and you're looking at administering bonuses, or you're doing annual reviews and you want that data to be private, or maybe you have to make some harder decisions as a manager and you want that information to be extra secure. This is a fantastic way for you to be able to enter that data and get the most out of your tools such as Confluence with having them be secure. So let's follow that tutorial that they gave us, which is /data. And we are going to look for data encryption for Confluence. That is the app that we want. And once we've added it here, it says to add or manage the encrypted data, go to the published version of this page. And so once you've added the data encryption app into your Confluence page where you want it, go ahead and hit update and publish your page again. And now you can see that it gives us the ability to decrypt or edit secret. So we are going to edit the secret. We're going to paste that information there. And the title, we are going to enter utilization. Okay, and here again, so we have pasted all of the things that we wanted here as our sensitive data. Here you can do read access and you can add individuals or you can add a group. If it's for a massive project and you're okay with everyone in your organization or in a group within your organization to have access, then you can add that group here. But if you just want to keep it on an individual level, maybe you're a manager and you're using this tool, you just want to put you and maybe your manager here with read access and maybe someone from HR, you can go ahead and add those as individuals. So for now, I'm just going to leave the read access and the edit access as myself since I'm just testing this out. Okay, I'm going to hit save. And now it says resource utilization encrypted data. Let's go ahead and hit decrypt. Here you can see that it is embedded and encrypted right now. So let's go ahead and reveal. So here it says, given our system utilization, so we have the information that we wanted to hide there. You can click hide again, or you can reveal it, or if you need to edit it, you can go ahead and hit edit here. And so it just pops up that same page. You can go ahead and edit whatever it is that you need. You can resave it. And it pops up the same here. So when you navigate to your decision log or whatever Confluence page you want to encrypt that data on, you can see here encrypted data. And then if you don't have access, then it won't allow you to open that. So this is a really cool way just for, again, highly regulated industries or managers or HR to get the most out of the tools that you're paying for and what you're using. I think there's absolutely a need for this in highly regulated industries. I'm really glad that AceMood came out with this particular. So I'm excited to see where they take this tool, considering this was just recently released in late of 2024. Take a look at data encryption for Confluence and let me know what you think.